So as a female, if I were to get this done, I would definitely get the FUT procedures, as most other females do. Given the long hair that we have and the fact that we will likely never shave our head, it's a great option. Plus, we get more hair from the harvest compared to FUE. Okay, so the strip procedure, FUT, is one that comes in handy for a lot of patients, particularly ones that need a great deal or a great number of hairs. Transplanted from the back to the top or wherever else. In the strip procedure, we take a strip of tissue from the back of the scalp, and it's dissected under the microscope into follicular units, which is then transplanted into the area that you would like. With strips, since the tissue is opposed and sutured together, it can cause slight discomfort after the procedure. For the first couple days, patients may or may not complain of pain. Oftentimes, patients don't even have pain, and it's hard to predict who will and who will not. We do send you home with pain medications to cover that. So we tell you the first night, take a pain medication, and the next morning, and after that, kind of see how it goes. We do, however, make sure that you are diligent about preventing inflammation and edema or swelling. We give you techniques of icing and massaging to help prevent that. We also give you a short course of medications that will prevent that as well. It takes about 6 to 10 months to actually see the results. The reason for this is because once we transplanted the hair, we put it into the incision that was made in the correct direction, angle, and orientation, and we are relying on the new blood supply, oxygen and nutrients to get into the area and make a new home essentially for the new follicular unit. Once that occurs, the hair follicle will shed within a couple weeks.
Will shed.
What did you say? What did you say?
Don't worry about shedding. That is completely normal. It occurs around the 2-week mark, give or take a few days, but it is completely normal. It does not mean that those hairs that are shedding will not take hold and grow in the coming months. The full results, however, will be seen in about 12 months, and that's a great time to reevaluate and see how much you love your new